Alright, today I have this Echo trimmer. I've had it apart a couple of times. It'll idle, and as soon as you squeeze the throttle, it dies. And I suspect the carburetor is bad. So I have a carburetor for it, and we're going to put on and see if that doesn't fix it. And unboxing the carburetor that they sent me a couple of air filters, a brand new spark plug, the carburetor itself, brand new fuel lines, and of course the gasket. Oh yeah, nice made in China envelope. Okay, well, anyway, they also sent me a couple extra primer bulbs, but they're inside. So, and this was already in it, so there's no need to actually do anything else there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the air filter off. Oh yeah, I'm working off the back of my truck right now. I actually have a workbench in my shop. Currently, I have all the wires tore out. I'm working on getting it rewired so I can use my shop once again for stuff like this. So, it's hopefully not too long anyway. It's been a rough week. It's been a rough day today altogether. I feel like something's kicked me in the side. Yeah, so getting around today, I've been kind of slow. Alright, just these two screws. I'll hold that on. And of course the carburetor. The new fuel lines, it comes with a new grommet, but I don't think the new grommet is going to work. So we're going to go ahead and get that out. Work on getting this off. The throttle actuator has a little pin, and of course it has a little bulb that's made onto the end of the cable, and it snaps on and just pulls through like that. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, that's the least of the worries. Yeah, now we see how it comes apart. Okay, we're moving on. And lines are out. And compare. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work. No, it's not. Okay, well, that's no big deal. We just reuse this one is what we'll do. I'm just being careful to remember which side the lines came out of. Okay, now one more. Pull that off. And go ahead and get rid of that. That fuel line was about had it anyway. Yeah, we can go ahead and set the new grommet and lines in. Kind of glad they sent me new lines. There we go. Set the vent bulb. Maybe I did that too soon. Okay. To compare the configuration, this clear one was the vent. So the vent goes here on the outside, and input goes on the inside. Yeah, I probably went through a little extra work getting this throttle line off, but if you hadn't had one off like that, it kind of takes from removing one to use it as a learning experience. All right. I had all this off the other day. Evidently I left the gasket off of it. Imagine that. This is an old trimmer, but it's been a good one. Alright, as soon as I find my screwdriver, there we are. I picked this carburetor up off from Amazon and read all the reviews about it, so I'm hoping this fixes my problem. And since they gave me a new air filter, compare the two. Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, they sent me the whole service kit. Which is fine because the old air filter, trash. Alright. Go ahead. Thread that in a little bit. It never was threaded in much anyway. And check throttle. Throttle works great. Alright. Now replace the original spark plug. I've never put a spark plug in this actually. And I'm not going to with that socket. I don't think that I don't remember putting a spark plug in here. Oh, wow. And we say junk. That has seen better days. All right, all looks good. Let's give it a try now. All right, I'm going to push the primer bulb until it picks up some gas. Okay, I pushed it about 4 times. I've choked it. Let's see, that should be on. I can't remember. Okay, let's try it, see what happens. All right, well, I weed eated, trimmed, whatever you want to call it. Trimmed the whole yard. And it ran just like a new one would. I didn't find any adjustments to make on the carburetor, so I didn't try to adjust it. Just ran it how it was bolted on. And seems to be running just fine. Anyway, and I shut it off a couple of times and it starts up on the first pull just like it always was supposed to anyway. So I think that the carburetor was the problem. Well, I know that it was the problem, but as far as any other issues that have arisen, I don't think that I'm going to have any more problems out of it right now. Yeah, so it's a pretty big yard. And this is an old trimmer. I think I bought an 05. Yeah, so I've had it a while anyway. But it's been a good one. Probably the best one that I've ever had. Okay, well, that's about all. Time to wrap it up. Old spark plug here was about had it also. I feel fortunate, and I'll probably go ahead and post a link up on the video to where I bought this carburetor, because I'm really impressed with it, because it was a whole service kit. Line, spark plug, new air filters, everything. I couldn't go wrong with that. Okay, well anyway, I hope everyone has a good weekend. TGIF. Thanks for watching.